Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to set up development environment for Python. So let us start with our video. So go to your favorite browser and search Python. Now choose the very first site, which is python.org, and go to the official website. On this website, you will see the documentation, the community, and news, everything you will need to know about Python. So here we are currently interested in download, so we will click on it. So here you can see we got an option for downloading. So if you are a Mac user or Linux user, you can see here the options are given. But currently we are on Windows, so I will click on download for Windows. So now our download has been begun. So we will wait until it completes the download. Now our download has been completed, as you can see in the corner. Now to start with installing, you have to click on it. Now on this dialog box, you have to click on add Python to path, and then you have to click on install now. So make sure you click this option. Then you have to click on install now. And now our setup process has begun. So until it is installing, we are now on Python documentation. So if you got into any trouble, then you can always visit to python.org website and search for the issue. You will get your answer. Now the setup has completed. Now you can close this dialog box, and in the search you can search for Python. So here I can see Python 3.10 has been installed, so you can click on that. So this is Python terminal. So here you can interact with Python. So if you have some script to run, then you can directly type that script over here. For example, if I want to print something, so then I will just write here. Suppose I want to print, let's say, hello. Then I will complete the bracket and enter. So it has printed hello. So here you can run any complex script you have. So this is the Python terminal. So let us install the IDE for running Python. So there are many IDEs available. So you can choose one of them for you. For example, there are Visual Studio Code. We also have Sublime and PyCharm. So PyCharm is one of my favorite. So for this video series, we will go with PyCharm. So let us search PyCharm and hit enter. So here is the official JetBrains website. Here you can download PyCharm. So I will click on it. Now here you can see we have an option for download. So there is a paid version for professionals and community version for the developers like us. So let us download that. So the download has been started, as you can see here. So I will pause the video until the download finishes. So my download has been completed, and here we are in a download folder. Here you can see the PyCharm community edition has been downloaded completely. So I will click on installer, click on next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can click here, and also add bin folder to the path, as similar to we have done with Python. So let us click on next and click on install. So our PyCharm is getting installed. So let us wait for it. So we have installed PyCharm here, and I have to reboot my system now. So let us continue in next video, and we will see all the features of PyCharm there. and also we will write the first Python code. So see you in the next video.